good evening everyone, Namaskar. Welcome to another episode of Wow Wednesdays on Amazon India. I am Mohana Bhattacharya, your host for this exclusive weekly live series brought to you by the amazing sellers of Amazon India. As you're all aware, Amazon has lakhs of Indian small businesses that sell on the platform, that sell on our marketplace and reach out to crores of customers across the nation, and oftentimes even leverage Amazon's network to reach customers outside the country. And every Wednesday we catch up with one such seller and bring to you the stories behind these emerging brands that you have got to watch out for. Now, as you're all aware, the Amazon Great Indian Festival is right around the corner. It starts on 17th of October, and Prime members get 24-hour early access to great deals and discounts. And with all of these festivities round the corner, I'm sure a lot of us are looking forward to redoing our homes, redecorating our spaces. And in today's session, we are going to be talking to Ms. Riju Goyal and Mr. Rishabh Goyal on how you can redesign and redecorate your spaces. So stay tuned for some amazing tips, tricks and hacks to give your pretty spaces the best makeover. Riju and Rishabh are associated with us. They are the founders of the brand Stitch Nest, which has an amazing range of home furnishing and home decor that you can check out. While you do so, I would also like to tell you that this brand is associated with us with the program Amazon Launchpad, which is an initiative that brings the most unique, the most innovative range of products from Indian startups and Indian brands. If you want to check out an amazing range of innovative and unique products, do check out amazon.in/launchpad. And now I'm just going to check if Riju and Rishabh have joined us yet from the brand Stitch Nest. And in case they do, we will just give me a second. I think I just spotted them and then I lost them again. Yes. I'm just going to add Riju and Rishabh to the live session, and we will get started without any further ado on how to redo our festive, our spaces. Hi Riju. Hi Rishabh. Hi, how are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. Thank you. Thanks for joining us today. I'm so glad to have you here. So Riju and Rishabh were just talking to our audience, and we were telling them that Stitch Nest has an amazing range of home furnishing and home decor that they can check out. So before we get started, tell us a little bit about yourself, your brand Stitch Nest. आपके brand के पीछे की कहानी बताइए हमें.
So Stitch Nest started about 4 years ago. Actually, she was the minds behind it initially. So she was bedridden for a while. She was sick, and as a means to recuperate with it, she started the online wing of our family business. And about a year later, I joined in, and that is when we started Stitch Nest. That is when the Stitch Nest brand started. And this is about 3-4 years back, and since then it has been an amazing journey.
That's beautiful. Did I hear you correctly? He said that you were, bedridden, and then you started Stitch Nest.
So I was working with an MNC. I am a BTech by my profession is I'm an engineer. So I was working with a company for about a year, and I got into sex. So I was bedridden for about 2 to 3 months. It was then that when I was trying to to recoup and trying to recover. That's when the idea came up that to upload my father's products online and to take it to different heights for that. So that is when I started with the online business. Later he joined and we were able to take it off from there.
That's a very inspiring story, Riju. I mean, it's super inspiring. Heartfelt appreciation for what you've done. with the brand. And thank you for sharing that with us. And speaking of that, how have you been associated with Amazon? How has your Amazon journey been so far?
The journey has been amazing. The journey with Amazon in very short is a roller coaster, right? There are so many ups, so many downs, but obviously ups outweigh the downs, obviously. And last 1.5 years have been so great. 1.5 years have been amazing. We have been affiliated with Launchpad. We have been able to figure out where we want to place the brand image that we have created for ourselves. It's an amazing journey.
So just for our audience members who don't know about Amazon Launchpad is a program that supports Indian startups and emerging brands, helps them, enables them to build their brands and, and provides a lot of brand building and brand management services. And as a customer, you can find, you're sure to find a lot of innovative, a lot of unique products coming directly from Indian manufacturers, Indian startups. And to check out these products, you can go to amazon.in/launchpad. To check out StitchNet products, you can search for the brand on Amazon, or what we're also going to do is we're going to link a swipe up story to their storefronts on Amazon, and you can explore StitchNet products as well and support Indian startups by showing your love and affection. Raju, speaking of your products on Amazon, tell us about the range of products that you offer and what can customers expect from your products.
So yes, we have this little range of products that we offer to our customers. We are dealing in cushion covers, we're dealing in table runners, we're dealing in table mats. Initially, when my father was in the business, we were heavily dependent upon the Chinese-made plastics for plastic table covers and everything. From then on, when Rishabh and I were like full-time involved with the business, we made sure to get rid of the plastic, and we shifted our brand to entirely eco-friendly fabric and inks. And now our brand recycles every waste product that is there, that is produced during the production of the stock and everything. We recycle all of that, and it is 100% Indian-based brand now. So from the fabrics to the inks to the designs to the stitching to everything which is involved from zero to the final product everything is Indian-made. So that is what we and Rishabh. And for cushion covers, we have this little thing to show to our customers.
Oh, wow.
This is a rectangular cushion covers which is doing great on Amazon these days. It is a geometrical design, and rectangular cushion covers are a really popular choice among customers these days. So we have a few more designs in this, which is for the cushion covers.
This is one of the top sellers. This product was
I have seen this.
by BuzzFeed.
Yeah.
I have seen it in my cart.
Oh, amazing.
This one is in my cart.
Oh my god, amazing. So BuzzFeed featured this product as one of the top products to consider while trying to really decorate your home.
So we also have a table runner that we recently launched. It has been about 2 months that we are working with table runner. So this is one particular top product that we are doing for the table runner part of it. We also have table mat in the same design. So we have like little options in the sizes and everything that you can go with this. So this is about our product. We are also recently launching, the gifting range for our customers. So I think
right. I was actually about to ask you that Diwali is right before Diwali. There's a lot of gifting selection and gifting for home is also a big thing, and especially now in this scenario, right? So I was just about to ask you whether you have like a new range of gifting selection that you are sort of launching on Amazon.
Yes, definitely we do. So as during these times of Corona, we know that there is not a lot of shopping, wholesale shopping or retail shopping. We understand that the customers need to give their loved ones something to express their love. So we have this entire small, beautiful range, which is amazing for our gift, for our home-based products.
So we have these little greeting cards for the customer.
So if a sister wants to give something to their brothers whom they can't meet up this Bhai Dooj season, there's this amazing greeting cards.
So this goes with this. We understand that people cannot get together and celebrate Rakhi or Doj or Diwali and give them personally something. So we understand that people sitting miles away in different cities need to gift each other, express their love, want to say that okay, maybe I couldn't be there, but I definitely wanted to wish you Bhai Doj. So these are little things that the customer can send directly to their brothers and sisters to celebrate Bhai Doj. So we have launched these products, and there's a huge variety over Amazon for the same, where you can go for the mug part, the mugs, and
Watches. There's a whole combo that you can
yeah.
choose.
So maybe I can share a little anecdote here. What happens is I usually gift my brother with a watch every year since he was in class 11. So I have been doing that. He loves my So he loves my watch. So he likes my choice of watches a lot. So we thought, why not share it with the customers also? So we have launched one watch with the greeting card and dolly and mug. So the customer, if wants, they can go with the option of buying a watch with the combo itself. So that was just between us. Yeah. So we wanted to share with the customers also.
That's awesome. So just to recap for our viewers, Riju and Rishabh are from the brand Stitchnest. We were just discussing how Stitchnest is creating a beautiful range of eco-friendly home furnishing products right from table runners to cushion covers, and you can never have too many cushions and cushion covers at your home. So Stitchnest is creating all of these beautiful, eco-friendly, completely eco-friendly home furnishing products. Along with that, Riju and Rishabh were telling us about the new range of gifting selection that they have launched on Amazon, which mostly for occasions like Diwali, Bhai Dooj, etc., wherein you have greeting cards, wherein you have mugs, and a lot of these hampers that you can directly send to your loved ones if you are away from them this festive season. So thanks for that, Riju and Rishabh, both of you. Now, just quickly getting to the session, because we promised our viewers that we are going to be talking about redesigning our homes. So quickly going to that, so given the whole situation, right, a lot of us are spending most of our time indoors. Everyone has, built, a certain corner in their own houses for themselves, right, like according to their own personality. So we have those work from home setups to, like a balcony space where you can have your morning tea, or you can do some afternoon reading and stuff like that. So I want to understand from you as to how to sort of do up our spaces in the best possible manner. What's the importance of like the right color, the right textures? Do you have any tips or recommendations for us?
Yeah, definitely. There is so much, we can do with our home. So basically, what we suggest as going into the interior design part is let your personality reflect into whatever you want to decorate. So if you enter into a home and you see a lot of greens, it is very apparent that the customer that the home is owned by a plant lover. So it goes like that. Let your personal taste reflect into how much the space and how you want to decorate it. So there are people who like a lot of bohemian designs. So let your taste communicate with that. Get bohemian cushion cover, and with that get a tapestry which is bohemian also. But don't get too much into prints and everything. Like make a balance out of it. Like if you have a plain cushion cover, go with a printed sofa. If you have a plain sofa, go with a printed cushion cover, and vice versa. Don't go with all out with the prints, or don't go all out with the plains. Make a balance out of it. So that's how you can create. And don't when we talk about the colors, that specifically, don't go overboard with the colors. Keep a balance. Keep it low. Keep it like select a color or two maximum. If you are like crazy about colors, then maybe three. In a kids room, go with more colors. But in a mall or in the workspace, go with two colors. Select whatever colors, whatever mood the room depends on. If it's a workplace, go with monochrome. Go with like shades of brown, maybe gray. If thicker bedroom, go with the, bluish shade to make it like a more relaxed space. When you're in kids' room, maybe you can go with the greens and reds and all the multicolors which the kids are attracted to. That kind of thing. Yeah. Make your color palette according to the mood of the room. So you can go it that way. So that's
Right.
how we can
So
find
what
the
is-
places.
So I'm curious to know, what is your favorite? You talked about bohemian style of design, right? And there's so many different styles of design. Like some people like contemporary, some people like have a very modernistic approach, minimalistic approach, and so on and so forth, right? A lot of people like these really artistic, rich Indian sort of decor. So what's your favorite style of design and decor?
So when we enter my home, everybody knows that we are entering into a home which is owned by a plant lover. So I personally like geometric designs, and my mom she's crazy about plants. We have a plant in every corner of our home, and like a side stool that has like 5 different kinds of plants, like small plant, big plant. We between the sitting area, we have this huge money plant that depicts my mom's taste. And on the sofa, we have like geometrical cushion covers of different dimensions, like we have like 24 by 24 to support our lumbar structure. Stitch Nest also offers that. And we have rectangular cushion covers that goes into the sofa to keep it on your lap and be comfortable around that. So we have geometrical is my personal choice, and my mom is crazy about plants. My entire home and bedroom and everything is green. It talks of green shade.
And
So
it's such a calming. I mean, it's lovely to have plants. I have also very recently started, now that we are home, I can do it. Started like a mini garden of my own where I'm like trying to grow like a lot of plants. So let's see how that goes. It has generally not gone very well for me, but I hope that now
it's a tedious task, but
things
it's a
will be better. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Another question that I had for you is about redoing our spaces or redesigning, redecorating our spaces. Like for Diwali, because a lot of us will be spending our festivities also indoors, safe and protected. Probably not a lot of outdoor activity this time. I'm sure a lot of people will be investing in experimenting with creating a more festive look and feel and redecorating or redesigning our spaces. So any tips for that? Feel free to talk about your products as well, which you think will fit best and which will help our audience members to explore more and make informed choices.
So for Diwali, when we're talking about interiors and everything, I think diyas communicate the best essence of the festival. So you can go for the ceiling diyas, you can go for short diyas, you can go for long diyas, you can go for floor diyas. As many diyas as you can. You can never go like overboard with diyas. It is always, just add a small diya and put flowers around it, and you have your festive vibe around it.
Rangolis also play a
Very
role there.
amazing.
You can place small rangolis in every corner of a house. You can come up with, you can use colors, you can use glass to make those rangolis. They fill up your space amazingly.
So at Stitchness, we've also launched this particular, small diya that is.
That's beautiful. Yeah.
It's an amazing thing. What it basically is shadow diya. So not only it fills up a corner, it also helps you fills up a background of the diya with a shadow of it. So this particular diya casts a shadow on the wall, which is amazing. It creates an amazing effect.
It's a metallic diya that you can buy on Amazon from Stitchness, and this when you light up the candles in here, the lights, the shadow is there. It gives a beautiful effect of Lakshmi and Ganeshji, and creates a whole vibe of the festive season. I really like it. This is my personal favorite.
So again, to our audience members, if you would like to, check out these products, we will be linking the Stitchness storefront after the session in a story, and you can swipe up to explore their storefront. Another point that I would like to highlight at this point in time is that as a part of all our offers for the Great Indian Festival, we have an interesting offer. You can buy small business products today or till 15th of October, you can purchase any small business product like Stitchness products, and you will get a 10% cashback up to rupees 100 for your purchases that you do during the Great Indian Festival, during on 16th and 17th of October, like I mentioned. So you should definitely go today, check out these products, support a small business, buy their products, and maximize your savings during Diwali. So here's one quick offer for all of you out there. And tell me more, Riju and Rishabh, about how you guys are planning. Are you all planning to redecorate your space, your home for Diwali this time? How are you all planning to celebrate the festival?
So decorations are mostly her part. I am not really giving much importance when it comes to decoration. I put is very much neglected.
No. Actually, he has a lot of interest when it comes to starting from a single point when we start with the redecorating part of it. So what he did in his room was he likes a book stand specifically. So he started redecorating around that. So he picked up one particular product that he really likes. That's how we go for when it comes to redecorating. Pick one particular item that you almost admire and you cannot part ways with, and start building your entire session or entire like a side table or maybe a side stool or center table around that. So what he did, he picked up a book stand and he started adding books to it. Then he added, a pen stand near it, which was similar in color and conveyed the vibe that okay, this is although this is my bedroom, but I still like to study in the night here and read my books over here. So he put a pen stand here, he put a tab over there, and then he developed that entire area as conveying like okay, this is a book lover's corner.
Book covers and all on copy. There's a replica of everything that I like. Small dummies, small pieces of everything that I like.
That is how we will be planning to redecorate home. We pick up one side stool, fix something over that, and build a story, a small story. That's how we are planning to go about on Diwali this season.
That's a wonderful idea. I will also probably try to do something like this with my space. Now, I think we're coming towards the end of the session, but before we log out, just wanted to hear your thoughts on if you have any advice for entrepreneurs out there who are trying to make it big. Do you have any tips, recommendations, or advice for startups and entrepreneurs being a successful startup yourself?
The tip in these times of Corona would be to stay positive, be persistent. We know everybody knows it's difficult times, and we hope the times get better. And the only way you can succeed is be positive, keep delivering, not cut costs by reducing the product quality of your product. Just make sure you deliver the best value. Be honest, be very authentic about your product. Be persistent.
Thanks, Rishabh. Thank you so much, Riju and Rishabh, for joining us. This was a very interesting session. Some really great tips, and loved the products that you showed us from Stitchness. I'm really looking forward to buying some of those products myself and sharing with my friends and family. Thank you for joining us today. I'll just reiterating a couple of things for our viewers. We have a live offer at this point in time for all our audience members. You can log on to Amazon, shop from a small business, and get a 10% cashback up to ₹100 for any purchase that you make during the Great Indian Festival. So do check out the offer, shop today from a small business, and maximize your savings during the Great Indian Festival. If you would like to check out more innovative and unique products from Indian entrepreneurs and startups, you can visit amazon.in/launchpad. If you are a startup yourself and want to get associated with Launchpad and create a national brand, do feel free to visit the page and get all the details there. Meanwhile, for Stitchness products and the products that we saw today. We will link these products in a swipe up story after our IG Live ends. Thank you so much, Riju and Rishabh. It was great talking to you guys.
Likewise,
Thank you.
enjoy.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Thanks for joining us. And until we meet again next time, for the audience members, have a very happy festive season. The Great Indian Festival is starting soon on 17th October. So wish you loads of fun and shopping. And thank you so much for joining us today.
Great season ahead.
Thank you, Mohana.
Thank you.